making a quick little video working on a 2021 Nissan Rogue with this new battery of the 750 cold cranking amp. We just did a battery test on this thing at a dealership. It came out to be 425. We are having certain issues with these batteries not being able to sustain itself. This is only a year-old battery, so we're warranting replacing with a new Nissan battery. The symptoms that you'll be getting, you'll have a dash screen saying, you know what, um, push a brake pedal to start. You'll have nothing. The car won't start at all. The starter wouldn't even try to engage because all these are related to like body control modules. You'll have a check engine light on too as well for low power battery voltage code. So in the cases like that, make sure you visit your Nissan dealership and have your battery replaced. Anyways, guys, hope that helps.